Now then, where are we? Are you okay for video? How are you? Are you enjoying your holiday?
I am, yes.
Where are you from?
Scotland.
The old bonny Scotland, look. Now then, where are we? Hey! We've got waves crashing. We've got sun going down. And we have the old jet skis. I need to get in a bit because waves are getting a bit big, so to speak. Should have brought my surfboard, but anyway. So, like I've said in previous videos, this is when Jonty M Beach comes to life. I think we're about 5:30. I've been talking to this lovely guy, Jim, from the States. He's tired out here. But yeah, good lad. It's obviously his budget is it's about 3 times, 4 times, 5. I don't know. I lost count trying to add it up, and then I got abacus out. More than man. But yeah, he's had a good job, pensioned off, private pension, state pension. Lives in Bangkok and he's there with this lovely lady. Jim, sorry, his name's Tim. That was my speech impediment kicking in. So I don't know whether you can see in the distance. I might pick it up, I don't know. I can see him. But yeah, there's a parachute guy, paraglider, parascender. He's going to land in that hotel, look. Rather than get a bolt, he's like, right, I'll take a parachute. I'll take a parachute home. Hey, joking apart. Hey, joking apart. I think we'll have to wait for Tim Newton news tomorrow. I was joking about that, but it has gone down. Hope everything's alright. So yes, look, here we are, look. Jonty M Beach. No nappies floating about, look, which is good. Or jellyfish. If you watch my previous videos, you'll get that pun. You'll get it. So, it's really nice now. Very ambient. Cool breeze. Sun's gone down, or going down behind the clouds. Hey, I take it back. Parasender's back up, look. He's maybe just dropped his burger off or something like that. Or it might be a different one. I don't know. From a distance and all that. But we'll see, we'll see. We'll see what we see. Right, so I've got lady here videoing her partner and kids enjoying themselves. I do believe it's maybe still the holidays for kids here, so people come down from Bangkok and that. So yeah, right, it's over and out from me and the old Gulf of Thailand and the old current bun disappearing behind the clouds. Hasta la vista, baby. So here, look, this lady says she can do anything she wants. Anything you want for 500 baht. I say,
you get some crap of the...
I say, can you book me flight?